Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 21st day of November 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today. So here we go. The setup is the same as what we do most days. We look for our strong candle indicator, which is sitting right up here. Got a little red triangle pointing downward, meaning I want to take this candle short down towards the previous pivot. So there we go. We look at the PVI. Very high for ES, around 30. So we're going to pair our ATM to the volume, and we're going to go for 8 tick first targets. Then we're going to have runners for 16s and 32s, and this is how it all shook out today in the room. They've already had the retrace, so we just need to put our order on the body of the candle and let it fly. First thing we're going to do is put our stop where it belongs, and then leave the trade alone. See what happens. I got to do regular speed. This is the normal speed for the market today. Once we're picked up and all the contracts and targets are set, then we can speed it up to see what the result is. But simple, strong candle pushing off the trend indicator. Pretty straightforward. Taking a little bit of time to get picked up in this one. Boom. All right. So now we got to put the stop where it belongs. Last major failure point. And then just wait for our first target to get hit. We'll de-risk the trade as soon as our first target's out. So watch the stop as they get closer and closer to the first target. Little double retrace there, no big deal. And we're going at 4 times market speed now. Seemed to go a little faster than that when we were actually in it. But there you go. Now it's taken off. Notice how we de-risk the trade immediately. We'll get another order ready. If this comes back and takes us out at break even, then we have an opportunity to enter the trade again if that's what we desire. So 8s and 16s are out. And now we have a runner. 32s are done. That trade smashed in and took just over 3 minutes to complete and was worth 800 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 800 US dollars in 3 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, the only place you can find your strong candle indicator, and it is a beauty. So look forward to seeing you next time. God bless, and we'll see you then.